All right, my man, here is your similar problem. All right, so we want to put this parabolic equation in standard form. Here's what we do. So we need to complete the square, but before that, I want to isolate just my y squared and my y. So if you know you have a parabola, always get the square term and the little partner together. So if there's a y squared term, you want to isolate the y squared term and the y term. So I'm going to subtract 314 from both sides first. That gives me x minus 314 equals 5 y squared plus 80y. Okay? Then you want to factor. So whatever the leading coefficient is, in this case 5, factor that out. Y squared plus 16y plus base. Remember, we're completing the square. So half of 16 is 8. 8 squared is 64. Now, we've introduced a 64, but really 5 times y squared was already there. 5 times 16y was already there. 5 times 64 is 320. So since we introduced 320 on the right side, we have to add 320 on the left. So that's where we balance. Okay, so now we have x plus 6 equals 5, and then we've completed the square, so that is y plus 8 squared. Bow. Standard form. Okay, so quick 2-minute video. Take your problem, which is virtually the same problem, and go through that process and shoot me a picture of your work so that it looks similar to this. I can kind of give you some feedback. Just check it, and then you'll be ready to share, man. All right, just message me, Ross, and I hope this helps.